too fast, I can't control it.
Let's take a look.
Okay.
Oh shit! You still alive?
Nah, I ain't get shot. It was stolen, and the person who stole it got basically.
Oh.
Yeah. The person who was in it, they got shot.
Damn.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to get rid of all these bullet holes. I got it.
You worry about inside?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it like time after time. I don't want to get it all fixed at one time because I got a YouTube channel, so I'm trying to stretch out the videos. So I don't want to get everything fixed at once. So
Okay.
yeah, because the front bumpers is messed up too still. But I want you guys to all fix it, but just not at once. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You see how the front bumper too, and then it needs a new fog light down there. And then they got some damage right here. You got some damage on the side right here. But it's but yeah, I want y'all to do everything, but right now I just need the bullet holes. I'm just trying to stretch out the videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need a shield too. I need a shield.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got shields here.
No, they fix everything. They do it.
I saw you got a shield.
The shoe? Yeah, we can order it and play this. Okay. Let me so right now you just want to get
Yeah, the bullet holes.
Next 22.
this one you see it? This one was bonded before. This one like it's bonded before.
Yeah.
We cannot fix this one anymore. This one this door needs to be replaced. Same thing with this one. Too many bundle. We cannot fix it anymore.
You say you can't?
Cannot.
What would you have to do?
Replace.
Replace?
This one, yes. This one, yes.
So you gotta replace the whole door basically.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
Because this one will repair before,
So
and they
two
put
doors?
too many bundle on it,
Yeah.
like the fueler. Yeah, and cannot fix it anymore. But this one, you see, this one is new metal.
Yeah.
This one can do it. Yeah.
Them two you have to do.
Yeah. So you want an estimate? I will take up a photo, and then I give you an estimate. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Give me
okay, the VIN number it was changed, so it was stolen vehicle.
Stolen. That's why
The car was stolen, so the VIN
The VIN number not matched.
It's changed.
yeah,
We changed.
they changed the VIN number. Okay,
I don't need the VIN number.
okay.
Just around.
Huh? Huh?
It's a nickel for a part.
Okay, give me around 10-15 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Oh, the cat.
Huh?
It's fast.
Yeah.
My God, what?
Huh?
Did all the bullet go through the car?
Yeah, it went through. See, I ain't get shot in it. It was stolen. The person who stole it, they basically got shot in it. Yeah. Yeah. So how much for just the bullet holes? This got everything on it, right?
That's the fender, new fender, new doors.
That because on there it says rear bumper.
Rear on. It means when I make this one, I need to paint it, and we need to take out the bumper when we paint it. Take out lumber a little bit, so we can paint this panel.
I thought you said you can fill these, so you got to take all this off.
I fill it out and then paint it, right? You want to paint it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
I don't really care if it's painted or not. You know what I'm saying? I don't care about the paint because it's gonna get wrapped. Like, you know what a wrap is? It's gonna get wrapped regardless. So I don't care about how the paint look. All I'm trying to do is get the bullet holes gone. I just don't want no more bullet holes. That's all I'm trying to do.
don't worry
for
about
right
the
now.
color.
Don't worry about nothing else. All I'm trying to do is just get the bullet holes.
Okay.
So I'm trying
I can. Okay, I can take out the paint time, but this one needs to replace, and you have to paint anyway. You have to paint the inside anyway. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there, over there. Yeah, because we change another door, and you cannot leave the door without color inside. We need to paint it anyway.
yeah.
Because this one we cannot fill it out.
Huh?
We cannot fill it out. We cannot fix the hole right there. Are you gonna try another shop? Maybe they can do it for you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try another shot.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
All right.
Get the car towed. Get the bullet hole replaced. This how you start it. Hey, I'm gonna let you do it. supposed to be driving it to get the bullet hole fixed. I was supposed to be driving it to get the bullet hole fixed, but I'm getting it towed because the drive is 40 minutes away, so I don't want to drive it with the bullet holes like this. So I'm just getting it towed to the tow spot that's 40 minutes away to get the bullet hole fixed. It's the last time y'all gonna see it like this. The last time. Ah, them bullet holes gonna be gone. Let's go. Trappers, tap in. Trappers, tap in. Little car scene. They finna set the rope on fire. Finna spin around this shit right here, and they finna have that rope on fire. Y'all stay tuned. Bro, blew out the sunroof.
Get that bit to unbend.
Huh?
You gotta get that bit to I've been soaking that motherfucker.
Yeah. That's how you do it.
This bitch needs some more gasoline for sure. Yeah, it need more gas in that bitch, son.
Really? Yeah, you gotta put like some paper on this shit.
Alright, shit, really? We can go and start shooting. Cause once the goddamn car get the goddamn going, that motherfucker gonna make that shit float. Yeah. So shit, all this shit goddamn thing, sooner or later it's gonna start getting higher and higher. And by that time, that when this folk gonna tell us we gotta go. I don't know what he got going on. Alright, so we need to go and goddamn start shooting now. Cameraman! So we need to go and start shooting right now. That way goddamn when the pump come around, that smoke gonna make that bitch quick. Outside, get in that bitch. And then shit, that shit there, you little track. Get your bad ass away from the line. Come on the other side, man. Come on the other side, Brandon. You finna spin this bitch trap?
I am.
Yeah. I'm finna get in that bitch. Huh? I'm finna get in the back seat. You good, boy. You got good rubber coat stop, man. Hey, you gotta get good. Y'all got you? Well, y'all gotta come on, brother. Yeah. You got to. All this shit on goddamn camera. Oh, we had a song just playing and just catching these niggas right here like these. Time is money, man. Alright, y'all gotta scoot up. Hey man, it's my nigga birthday. We trying to go stand.
Yeah.
Yeah, we trying to extend the video.
That's what I'm saying. I track was swinging here.
Alright, so when y'all go ahead and start off, you gonna start recording on Just keep shouting in the video, just make it like some real life shit. Y'all good. He said y'all good. Hey, don't hit the fire. Hey, y'all don't move too far that way, y'all. We gonna be moving while y'all move. Make sure everybody. Yeah, everybody gonna be moving while y'all move. So, shit, that be recording, camera. They gonna be making it seem like they just rapping the song, but we just really getting out the way. Come on, y'all, let's do it. What the song at? So don't record. I know these ain't no shit shit too. But hey, man, look, this shit about to go, man. What the music? Hey, fuck that music. What the music? Let's play the music.
Trap SRT.
Yeah. We about to start recording now. Hey, let me know when you ready, Trump.
It's hard.
He got
That be hard, fool. That be hard, fool. Hey, that be hard, fool. Go back, go back. You gotta go back. Watch
One
it.
thing
Watch it.
about the industry, shout, you can't be nervous. Shout. This shit gonna get scared. They're gonna put you in some dangerous territory.
Look,
that
fool.
shit
Look,
hard.
look, fool.
That footage gonna be fat.
Damn.
That shit is good.
But with a light cover on though, that shit, boy, that shit hard.
Yeah, hard.
Man, you can't be nervous, y'all. This your craft, y'all. You gotta take goddamn effort in. And niggas playing they money, man.
Yeah, my boy probably been in a car accident before. You never know.
We still gotta get it, man.
He can use all that he say.
Not with this job. Only when you drive.
I thought twice.
Go back. Go all the way back.
I'm gonna take over the camera. We're gonna make sure that all them videos fire.
All right, right here.
That motherfucker hard though. He on the wheel. Oh yes. Oh boy. Oh shit. Oh yeah.
That bit hard.
Oh yeah, where you at?
Look at that.
Hey, don't play with that boy.
That bit hard.
That's a shot. That is for sure a shot. Cat sign in that bitch that come out. That motherfucker good.
Yeah, it's like your ass got them right by that motherfucker.
Yeah, you can't be scared of that shit, bro.
This nigga that motherfucker.
Come on, let's go. You gotta make all this shit count, man.
And we ain't one more let's see. We just gotta be super hurt. We gotta be lit. We can't be good.
I need one more. I keep trying to do it, man.
You might
He just in his bag. He just doing his thing. Just catch him. Oh shit, cause all that shit is over. Catch the phone. Catch the phone. On the back of his shirt. You gotta kill what? Pay attention to them. I'm helping you, but pay attention to them. Oh, no one on the shirt. No one. Understand what's going on. Go to oh my God, we sent us a shot. I had to make a way out. I'm sorry, how did it mean? Yo, I've seen the best in the business, drops in the spots, we put it abroad.
Lately been popping my shit hard, I feel like the biggest. These niggas gotta be kidding. I put a switch on the back of the blitz. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in an inch. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in a second. I caught that boy lagging, he died with it whip. I bought that cabin, you not really stepping. If I catch a op, I'ma send on the heavy.